What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to do things a little different today. We're going to talk about some of my, daily life of what I do and where I'm at right now. So right now we are in my 2017 GLA 250, and we're on our way to pick up some desserts to bring over to my mother's. Now, first and foremost, I do want to give a shout out to you guys for reaching out on my social media and also commenting on my YouTube video. I do want to let you guys know that unfortunately my Instagram account got disabled or deactivated. I'm not sure what do you want to call it, but right now I'm still trying to file an appeal. I don't know what happened. All I was doing was surfing online through using a browser on my Instagram account, and all of a sudden it asks me to verify my identity and verify that I'm not a bot. So they sent me a text, I inputted the code, and they told me that I need to wait 24 hours while they review my info. Now, it's already past 24 hours and I've been constantly filing for appeal. I've sent in a mugshot of myself holding up a code, and I also emailed them. I called Instagram, left a message. Yes, Instagram does have a phone number, and there's no human behind it. It's all automated. I even left a message. I emailed certain people, support at Facebook, support at Instagram. No word. So fingers crossed that I do get my platform back. My Instagram, in my opinion, was hitting its peak. I got a video that was 500,000 views and counting, and I am super devastated on the fact that my Instagram somehow got deactivated or disabled per se. So please, if you guys have any experience with this, drop it down in the comment section down below and let me know what worked for you or who to contact. But in any case, this video is going to be just a simple vlog video of what is going on with A, my BMW, and B, what's going on in my personal life. Now, recently I did purchase a new sticker decal for the Volk TE37s. I'm so excited to put those stickers on. I am waiting for a good day where I could just clean up the old decals off with some, I think, Goo Gone. I've been researching online on the S2000 forums because they're really obsessed with TE37s. I'm not sure why, but they suggested we use Goo Gone, and some people even said you should just power blast or power wash the rim so that the decals come off. But in any case, we're gonna use Goo Gone very carefully because I do not want to ruin the finish of the bronze, and I am going to apply it later on today, hopefully. Sun is going down really quickly, and we are losing a lot of daylight here in Toronto, and of course it's getting really cold. I'm on my way to my parents' place, and I am going to basically visit my E46 as well, since it's being stored there. So I just got this melon bun matcha from Hatendo, and I haven't had one of these in so long. So inside, of course, there's this matcha melon filling, and outside it's like a pastry. So let's open it up and check it out, see how it is. Hope this doesn't make a mess inside my car. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, this matcha is. Yeah, let's try this. not bad. Okay. After a nice meal with my parents, I got home and I just couldn't wait any longer. I bought the rim inside and I decided to slowly peel away the old decals so that I could install the new ones. Being a little bit of a perfectionist, I decided to measure the decal on the rim so that I can accurately place it when replacing it with the new ones. As you can see here, I was carefully removing the old decals with my fingernails. Now, I don't think this is the right procedure to really remove the old decals, but I honestly just went old-fashioned and I started picking away at it. And finally, once I removed the old decals, I started cleaning it up with Goo Gone. As mentioned before, Goo Gone was one of the solutions that I found in the forums. I wouldn't recommend overusing this as it may potentially damage the original paint on the rim, so please use it to your own discretion. Overall, I am super happy and satisfied with the Raised Engineering decals. If you're looking to replace your set of decals, I would highly recommend getting the original ones from Japan, just like I did. Big shout out to my friend Galen for hooking me up with these original decals. And as always, wrapping things up, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. But let me know down in the comment section down below, what do you think of this type of video? Do you want to see more, or do you want to see something else later on in the future? Well, until then, see you next time.